Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this position. It is white to play and win, and white's pawns are going forward in this direction while black's pawns are going downward in this direction. This position looks easy at first, but it's actually quite hard, and it needs a strong player to see how white can manage to win this. So as always, pause the video and guess the move. Best of luck. Okay, welcome back. So here we have a pawn moving forward in this direction, which is going to be a queen with no piece to stop it. But the problem here, I would explain in a moment. You may start pushing the pawn, which is the correct move, and you are going to promote the pawn, and you think black can't stop you this way, and you make a queen. You may simply capture this pawn, promote another queen. With two queens, you would absolutely win the game, and black's pawns are doing nothing here. They are all stuck and doubled. So this looks easy at first, but I would explain now the problem. Here, after you push the pawn here from, this is the first position of the puzzle, and after you push the pawn, black is not going to chase the pawn. Black awares that black can't reach this pawn. It's impossible to reach the pawn with the king. The king is too far, visually too far from the pawn. But what black can do is play king to a4, and when you push, black would push its own pawn, and when you make a queen, and now black would push to a5, and it doesn't matter what move you play, black would have absolutely zero way of moving any pieces on the next move, and that would be just stalemate. Look at this. Black king can't play to a3 because of the pawn. All of these pawns are stuck. This pawn is stuck. Black can't make any legal move. That would be just stalemate, draw. So what should you do? Well, in this position, the correct move is promoting the pawn, but to not a queen, to a knight. So now in this position, you promote the pawn to knight, and now if black plays the same move, now you can simply sacrifice the knight like this. And previously black wouldn't have a move. Black wouldn't have a move, but now black can capture the knight. You push, black pushes, you push, and make a knight once again. So you do not promote here to a queen, because ultimately black would just push the pawn like this, and you have to capture the pawn at some point. That would result in a stalemate. So you promote to a knight, and all you have to do is find one of these checks, and that would make you the winner, right? So it doesn't really matter from where you check the king, since the king can't move. Any check would result in checkmate. So this is actually the solution of the puzzle. So for a recap, what we are going to do is first push the pawn, and if black decided to trick us to seal itself to stalemate, we promote to a knight, we sacrifice the knight, and we push, we make a knight, and we can move to one of these squares so that we can deliver checkmate on one of these squares. So this is the solution of the puzzle. Thank you for watching up to this point. I will see you in the next video. Bye.